Hey everyone, my name is Sarah and I just wanted to introduce myself. I am the farmer's wife here at Blue Oak Farms. We have behind me a few chicken barns and we also grow crops, so you can see the fields behind me. And then all the way over here is our beautiful home. So it is springtime right now and it is just beautiful out, which has me itching to get into the dirt and plant flowers. So the reason I made this video is just to give you a few tips on growing your flowers, the seeds that you've received, whether it was a gift from a friend, a coworker, or a client. So just enjoy this video and hopefully it will help you and you will have success with your flower seeds. Okay, so the seed that we will be talking about today is the Candyfloss Cosmos. It's a very beautiful flower, as you can see, and I will go through some little videos just showing how they look when they come up, how they mature, and then also the blooms and what they look like. And then also at the end, I'm going to show you how you can save seeds for yourself and plant more next year or gift them to somebody else. Okay, so these are the seedlings. I literally planted them like 3 days ago, maybe 5, but I don't think it was more than a week. So Cosmos have a really dainty leaf, even when they're bigger. So you can see this is just 2 of them, but they're already coming up and they're already a really thin little leaf. So that's what you're looking for right there. Here's one. Very, very tiny. Look at that. That's my finger. So it's already very thin little dainty leaf. And then that's what it looks like a little bit bigger. They're really close together right now, so I usually wait a little bit longer to see which one looks like the bigger, healthier of the seedlings, and then I will thin them, because you don't want plants too close to each other, otherwise they steal each other's nutrients. You'd rather have them further apart and be bigger and healthier plants. So that is what you're looking for right there. Now here is one that is about a week old. You can see it's very tiny, but it has a lot of little delicate leaves. Still looks like a carrot, in my opinion. And you can see what it looks like there. So that's about a week old. Okay, now these are, I would say about 2 to 3 weeks old. As far as when they first sprouted, if you can see, they still kind of look like a carrot plant to me, but I might thin these out when they get a little bigger. Like these are a little close together, so if they're too close together, they're just going to steal each other's nutrients and not be as big of a plant, because these will get big. They will get wide and they will get tall, so it's better to have less and then they can fill in and have a healthier plant than to have a bunch too close together. So you can see what they look like. Nice healthy plant. Very frilly kind of leaves. Okay, I'm back. I think it's been about 2 weeks. Time flies though. So these are the oldest, I guess you would say, Cosmos that I have. And you can see they're starting to get the buds here, which is exciting. We had a pretty bad drought for about 2 weeks, so I was up here watering, but they did not get as tall as they normally do. So normally they're about twice as tall, but they still have plenty of buds here that are going to bloom. I have one over here opening up right there. Working on it. So you can see they're looking good, nice and healthy. Oh, there we go. And they're going to have a lot of blooms, so you can see that. Okay, these are my mature Cosmos. So this variety is a bushier, shorter variety. So I would say this is a mid-height plant. You can see there's a lot of blooming flowers here. And if you look, you can see kind of what they look like. They are yellow center, darker pink ring, and then a light pink flower. Very, very soft, dainty petals. kind of go along with their leaves, you can see here. So, yes, they are in full bloom right now. You can see there's just a lot of them. So pretty. The bees love them. Okay guys, I'm back and just wanted to show you if it's something you're interested in. These are all those cosmos plants now past their blooming time for the most part, and the seed heads are dying, which means we can collect seeds so you can save them for next year. So since these are heirloom, you can save them and you will get the same flower the next year. So I just wanted to show you here. You see that one? It's, you know, kind of looks like my hair does in the mornings sometimes. You got the seed heads are very dry and brittle, and it just comes right off. Pops off like that. And you can see when you break it open, I'll try to do it with one hand, you get a bunch of seeds. So you want to make sure that they're definitely dry. Here's another one. You can see even the stem is dead and brown. That's great. Pull that off. Comes right off, especially with the bug. And then you break that open and you get seeds. The seeds would be in there with some chaff, but you can see the black little slivers in there. Right there. Those are seeds that will grow the cosmos next year.